Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU Presents, I bring you Birchbox for November of 2019. Yes, but actually no, because this is going to be my last box that I am unboxing for you all for Birchbox. Birchbox is a monthly subscription plan. It did go up in price. I believe it's now $15 a month. You do get some deluxe sample sizes, and on very rare occasion you get a full-size item. So with that being said, I will still link the way, if you want to get it, the way I suggest you get it is either go through Ebates and sign up that way so you can get some money back, some cash back, maybe some coupons. But yeah, I feel sad. I did get this box for a full year because, oh, and by the way, Black Friday, look out for a lot of subscription plans. They do give out like yearly memberships or subscription plans dirt cheap. This one that I got for Birchbox actually cost me about $80, and it was for a full year. So it was $40 off the regular price, because at the time I think it was, no, yeah, because it was $120, because it was used to be $10 a month, and I got this for like 80 bucks. So look out for those subscription plans during Black Friday deal. So again, this is November of 2019. It is now customizable, so they give you a lot of different options to choose a box. Before, it would just send you a box, a random box, and that's all you got. Now I believe you have up to 4 choices on boxes. Or if you don't want the box for the month, you can say, I don't want the box for the month. Then you'll be able to trade in those credits for a full-size item of something that they have at the time that this is available. Can I give 1 second? I need to coat my throat because I'm tough. This is my X-Files cup. The truth is out there. Okay, anyways, so let's get started. This is a cute box. This is the November box, and again, my last box. There you go. I was also getting the men's box, and I canceled that as well. So like I said, you do have more options. It's now $15 a month, but you can go in there and you have to be on it, because if you're not on it, those favorite boxes that they have are always sold out. So here we go, a new kind of holiday list. So if you're thinking about gifts, here are some favorites for just about anyone. Limited edition Hello Hyge box, limited edition Birchbox Orbi 2.0 box. They do have some great, or you can get them a gift card. Maybe somebody would like a gift card. So this is everything that's in the box this month, and this is what it looks like. It's so awesome. Their boxes are cute because their tissue paper always matches their box, which makes it so pretty. Okay, so let's open it up, and let's see. So this is what my box looks like. I think I chose this one. Yeah, I chose this one because I was there early enough to make my choices, and I decided on this one. The holiday shop is live, Birchbox /holiday/beauty. So if you spend $75 in their shop, you'll get a free 5-piece Birchbox makeup brush set if you use the code new brushes. $75 is a lot, but it's easy to spend $75 in a shop because nothing's really dirt cheap in there. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the items going down, and then we'll work it that way. So first time sampling in this box is the October, which is this Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. Is this a full size? No, I don't know. I don't know what a full size is, but a full size of this item is $12.99. This is a 0.3 fluid ounces, so maybe a full size is 1 ounce. So full size is $12.99, and there you go. I remember getting a blue tansy oil in a different box, but it didn't have like any markings on it. Oh, it looks like it's spilled out because it's wet. The tip is wet. I know, I'm a pig. I'm like a 12-year-old boy. Okay, I don't smell anything. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. So this is called a blue, what is this for? I don't even use the last one we got. Did you know your skin best repairs itself while you're sleeping? Give your healthy skin an extra nudge with this lightweight nighttime oil, which reduces redness, irritation, and inflammation. Roll it onto your face, neck, and chest in place of or over your night cream. So there you go. I might have to do the same thing with the other one because I have not used the other one. The next item is Divine's, which one? Oh, that's this one. Love shampoo and conditioner. Is this shampoo and conditioner? Oh, I see what they do. Wow, what? So the full size of these products are $29 and $33. So I hate when they do this. This is your shampoo. And this is your conditioner. Are you kidding me? I should have had a conditioner like this and a shampoo like this because I use a lot of conditioner. I don't use a lot of shampoo. You know, whatever. So this is the Love conditioner and this is the Love shampoo. So that's in there. Full size of these items are $29 and $33. So that's good to know. I think I've got a couple of these. So that's nice to have that in there, but I would have preferred the other way around, you know. And then we have a full size item. We have a full size of Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara, and that is a $26 value. So you've already, just by getting this, and I will use this, my box is, everything else is just like a little add-on. So this is $26. My box was $15. Well, the box is $15, so I've already paid for my box in full, and then, you know, and then some. So this is great. So I got this mascara like $15. This mascara doesn't just volumize, lengthen, or fan out lashes. A combo of peach leaf extract and castor seed oil also conditions and actually strengthens them. So that's great to have. So you can never go wrong with having mascara. Then the next thing is first time sampling in this box as well is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. The full size of this product is $85. And I know the scandalo with Sunday Riley, and I don't even want to go into that, but there it is. I hear great things about Sunday Riley, even though they've botched up the few little reviews, but I hear great things about Sunday Riley. I use Sunday Riley and I love it. So it says retinoid, a vitamin A derivative, is the key to the silky serum that fights signs of aging and improves the look of congested and UV damaged skin. Pat into skin after cleansing. Start with 2 nights on, 2 nights off, working up to every night. Retinols and retinoids should be avoided while pregnant or breastfeeding, which is good to know. But I will try this out. I am doing my Good Molecules, which I absolutely adore. Again, I'm gonna have some more. I love Good Molecules, so I won't be using that anytime soon. Anyways, next thing is Duce. Luscious Lip Stain Holiday Getaway. Full size of this is $28. Wow, this thing is like so dusty. So a full size item of this bad boy is $28. So it's kind of cute. This is kind of cute when you're having like a getaway bag and you don't want to pack all your full size items. You just grab a bunch of these small ones and you're good to go. This peachy matte lip stain dries fast and lasts all day, but doesn't make your lips feel uncomfortable. Yeah, some stains make your lips feel super dry, and hopefully that one won't. But let's get on to the next thing. So this is a bestseller. This is Juliet Has a Gun. And it says not a perfume, Eau de Parfum. Full size is $100 to $135. This allergen-free minimalist scent has a single note. That's unusual. An elegant, spicy Cetalox. Wear it as a finishing touch. That's unusual. Usually perfumes have a lot of different notes, and this one just has one. So this is what it says. It says, not a perfume, simply unique. Description: created and designed by Romano Ricci, great-grandson of Nina Ricci. Not a perfume is a molecular composition and will not resemble to anything you've ever tested before. Made out of a single ingredient, Cetalox. Chances are you will experience a certain weakness at first glance, but don't rush too fast into conclusions. It is one of our top sellers, and there is a good reason for that. The fragrance simply stands out. and it's allergen free. Ingredients: alcohol, denatured, I guess it's denatured alcohol, parfum, which is the fragrance, and water, agua. Eau de parfum, 74% volume, natural spray. Well, they should have given me a bigger sample. They gave me this puny little thing. Eau de parfum by Juliet Has a Gun. Okay, so let's give it a shot. Oh, this smells really good. I like this. I like that a lot. It smells so good. And for it only having one made in France by Romano Ricci, I like the way that smells. That actually smells really good. Yep, smells fabulous. So that's everything that came in the box. If you want to go ahead and look to see, I don't know if this one is still available at the time of this filming. You may want to go on Birchbox's website. Like I said, Birchbox makes a great gift. So if you want to buy somebody a 3-month subscription and give it to them for the holidays, it's great. It's only, would it be like $45? You can actually go to their website. I'll link that down below. You can actually go through Walgreens as well. Walgreens.com, search Birchbox, and you can do it through there. You can use Ebates. There's a lot of different things you can do to get this. You can actually go to I think at Walgreens itself, they'll sell you a gift certificate for this box. So that's everything that came in the box. That's actually, it smells really good. I can't get over it. So I will show you the items there so you can see for yourself. That's everything. I like it. And you know, a lot of these items make great stocking stuffers. So if you get this box all year, you can save everything and do either two things. You can put them in giveaways if you have a YouTube channel, or you have an Instagram channel that you do stuff on, or Twitter, or you can save up everything and make little gift baskets or little gift bags for people for the holidays, for their birthdays, for get wells, get wishes, get well wishes, weddings, whatever. It makes great gifts. So that's everything that I have for you for this box. Go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below if you get this box, and which one did you get? Did you get the same one I got, or did you get something different, or did you trade in your box for a full-size item? Let me know. So thank you all for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, hasta later.